Hello viewers, how are you? I hope everyone is doing very well. Today I will share with you a new earn app and 100% trusted app. So let's see how we can earn from here. First time application install and open now. And the application is loading now. Here is how we can earn from here. First, here we need to whip potatoes because it is a farming game. So I whipped potatoes here and I picked potatoes and I got some rewards. And I got $3,000. And then I clicked in this bird icon. And here's how to level up. Watch ads, invite friends and ranking your profile, and you use my invite code and earn free dollar. And subscribe my channel and like, share, comment in my videos. And here you can earn by farming very easily. And then I receive $1,000 for daily checking. And here is watch video and get more coins and earn from farming here. And then I click into bird icon and here is get rewards from your friends every day. And then I click in code option. And here is invite friends and earn real money, and input invitation code and earn free dollar. Use my invitation code and earn more free dollar. So here is input code and submit now. And then I click in daily check-in and earn free coin. And then I click in cash out option, and here is Coinbase cash out in $1,000 and earn 1 cent, and $3,000 and earn 2 cents, and others. And this application is 100% trusted and 100% real app. And then I click in withdraw option. And here is a login with Gmail. I select my Gmail and I claim 10 coin. And I farming and earn coin and earn dollar. And I click in message and here is no message. And here is $4,000 and 0 coin. So you play this farming game and earn real money, earn PayPal money. So subscribe my channel and like, share, comment in my videos.